Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership and get a refund in a few simple steps. First, open the Amazon website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you are signed in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and click on the option that says Account and Lists. From the drop-down menu, select your account. A new page will open with different account options. From this page, look for the section that says Prime and click on it. This will take you to your Prime membership settings page. Wait for the page to fully load. On this page, you will see your membership details, including the renewal date and payment information. Look for the button that says End Membership. This option is usually on the left side or near the top of the page. Click on the End Membership button to begin the cancellation process. After clicking the button, Amazon will show you a few confirmation messages. These are meant to remind you about the benefits of Prime and to make sure you really want to cancel. To continue, click on the option to confirm cancellation. If Amazon asks again on another page, simply confirm once more. Once you confirm the cancellation, Amazon will cancel your Prime membership right away. If you are eligible for a refund, Amazon will process it automatically. Refunds usually apply if you have not used any Prime benefits since your last renewal. This is how you can easily cancel your Amazon Prime membership and request a refund if you qualify. Thanks for watching.